Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the button to enter the apps screen. So in the standard you have to slide up, but you can have a button like in old mobile. So let's go back to screen settings. That's right. And there is a show up screen button on home screen. Click in to enable it. Let's go back to our home screen and there is a new button here. Click on it and you will get the app screen. Of course the slide is working too, but anyway you have this button. So that's it for now about the home screen app. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!